Hi everybody, happy Wednesday. Welcome to our black workout. Today you're going to be doing a workout and adding some resistance. We're going to be working on getting into the orange and green zone. So adding that resistance, adding some weight is going to help you guys get to that zone a little bit quicker. So I'm going to share my screen and we will go through this workout. So we're working on feeling green and orange. Unfortunately, this isn't one of the exercises that we're doing today. So we're going to review what that means. You're going to complete the workout, and then it's going to be another video reflection, trying to remember your guys' names and putting some names to faces. So task 1, you're watching this video. Good job. Task 2, we're going to review the green and orange. So the green is the 70 to 80% of your max heart rate. So you can stay there for about 10 to 40 minutes. This will improve your aerobic fitness. There should be a light muscular strain, easy breathing, and moderate sweating. So recommended for moderately long exercises. So today's a few extra rounds. It's longer in reps, so you guys should get to that green zone. Some of you may get to orange, which is there's definitely going to be some muscular fatigue and some heavy breathing. So either of those two zones is our goal today for what you're feeling. So you're going to complete today's resistance workout. For the workout, you're going to need something heavy. So get a backpack full of books, some dumbbells. If you have weights, use them. Really anything. You can add water in a milk jug, milk in a milk jug, I suppose. Just don't let it go bad. Whatever you guys want to hold something heavy. Okay, the heavier it is, the easier it's going to be to get into the green and the orange zones. So you're going to complete 5 rounds of 10 reps of all the exercises listed below. So you're going to do 10 reps of a single leg Bulgarian split squat with your right leg forward. You're going to do 10 reps with your left leg forward, 10 push-ups, 10 plank shoulder taps, 10 front raises, and 10 Russian twists. So if you need to make them a little easier, just don't go down quite as far. You can go on your knees for the push-ups. You can go on your knees for the plank touches. Lighten the weight for the front raises, and you can put your feet on the ground for the Russian twists. So after you go through all of these one time, you're going to go through again 5 full times. After you're done going through 5 times, you're going to upload the 30-second video reflection. By midnight, you must say your name and show me 5 reps of your favorite exercise from today's workout and 5 of your least favorite exercise. All right, good luck.